gosh, you have ripe bananas? No worries, we can fix that. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post videos every single week of delicious foods that you are craving. Look at this banana chocolate chip muffin. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my Instagram page to see more videos and pictures of my delicious foods. Because, you know, your girl like banana nut bread. You ever thought banana nut bread is like a saying? So, I've made this recipe many times. And I've tried with peanut butter, I've tried with chocolate, I've tried with walnuts, I've tried with nothing, and I found the best recipe. So follow along with me and I'll show you how to make banana chocolate chip muffins. Alright, so we're gonna need 1 cup of sugar. I already put it in the bowl because I don't want any more dishes. 2 whole eggs, 1 stick of butter, 4 bananas. Most recipes call for 3 bananas, but I want that extra banana flavor, so you know, let's get it. Then you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of almond milk for those lactose intolerant people. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Oh, just kidding. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of chocolate chips, and we're gonna do the other half a cup with my my favorite baking bars, because this will give you a more rustic look to your banana bread, so it'll look more restaurant-like. Those are the words I'm gonna go with. All right, are you ready? Let's go. But Amanda, it's not food safe to have your hair done while cooking. Now let's go. Mother. Just kidding. This is PG. Okay. I'm ready. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you use ripe bananas. If you don't have ripe bananas, you can use regular bananas and put them in the oven for about 20 minutes until they're black on the outside. Now the key ingredient to making these banana muffins delicious is you have to be dancing while you cook. I was actually listening to Rosalía here. Pido rápido, no tengo cura. Now we're prepping the wet items, so go ahead and start smashing your bananas with the fork. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the almond milk into the banana mixture. Just mix it all together until it comes. It doesn't have to be perfectly mixed. Don't worry, we're gonna blend this later. Okay, now that you have your wet ingredients set, now it's time for the dry ingredients. Go ahead and grab any sifter. Put 2 cups of your all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Go ahead and shake vigorously. Don't get annoyed. Don't get annoyed. Don't get annoyed. Here it's very important to make sure that your butter is softened, so put your finger in it. If it's dense, it's softened. If not, you gotta wait, boy. You gotta wait, man. Patience. Really, baking is just another form of meditation. Now whip your sugar butter mixture until the butter turns pale and fluffy.
3 days later.
See, but don't tell me that I didn't tell you that you needed patience for this. Just have some patience. Now you're going to want to put your wet ingredients in. This is the moment that I completely forgot to put the eggs in before the banana mixture. See, this is very informational. I'm not only showing you what to do, I'm showing you what not to do. You're welcome. Now, another tip, Make sure you crack your eggs in a separate bowl because if you get your shells in, you have time to catch them before putting them in the batter and not having to restart all over again. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Please put a teaspoon and not a tablespoon because then that would taste really weird. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients in. Make sure you don't put them all at once or you will have flour all over your kitchen. And trust me, you don't want to clean that later. Okay, it's joke time. Why did the baker cross the road? He had muffin else to do. Go tell your parents that joke, please. Okay, the best time is here. We're going to go ahead and grab our baking chocolate bar. Go ahead and make sure that you cut it into big and small pieces. You want different sizes to spread around your banana muffin so they give it like a little more rustic look. But first, we're going to add half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Make sure to grab every single last piece of this golden dust, aka chocolate, aka yes, aka you need this in your life, okay? But wait, there's more. My secret ingredient. 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt. It brings out all of the flavors and gives it that little extra. Wow, Amanda, this is delicious. Now this recipe is going to give you enough batter to make 12 muffins. Then you want to bake your muffins at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. A good way to make sure that your muffins are cooked all the way through is you grab a chopstick or a toothpick and poke it in the middle. If it comes out wet, it is not ready. Thank you guys so much for watching my recipe. I really hope that you make it at home. I know everybody's getting creative in the kitchen because of this pandemic we're going through, but make sure you tag me in all the videos and pictures of this banana chocolate chip muffin recipe. I would love to see it. I will give you my feedback. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye! And there you have it, guys. Banana chocolate chip muffins. If you have any questions about the recipe or you want to recommend something for next week's video, just drop a comment down below. Because I'm lactose intolerant, so you know, don't want that. And then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Charlie! Are you done? Are you done?